Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to back up data to a Google account on your INFINIX Note 30 VIP. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and open up the settings. Once we are in the settings, what are we going to do is here we have a lot of options, but we want to click on Google. And once we click on Google, what you want to do is we have something called backup. So we got it, and what we want to do is we want to click on it. Of course, we can manage the backup, and we have other device data, we have photos and videos, so we can back up the photos here. I'm not gonna do that because I don't want them saved onto my Google account. I always do that on another account, but the device data, I always do that. So you can click on backup now, and it is backing up, and that's how you guys can back up your data from the phone into the Google account. Also, if you want the photos, you just click here, and it will be turned on. So now it is backing up everything, and that's how you guys can do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.